Hello everyone, welcome to a CAD Guild's course on DevOps. In this session we are going to talk about monitoring. What is it? Why do we need it? If you have missed the previous sessions, please check the links in the description. Let us begin with the first question. What is monitoring? Monitoring is the process of keeping a close eye on the entire infrastructure. Let us assume we're managing 1,000 servers. These include a variety of specialized servers like application servers, database servers, and web servers. As DevOps professionals, we are responsible for ensuring that all the services, applications, and resources on the servers are running as they should be. How do we do it? There are 3 ways we could adopt. First, we could log in manually to our servers and check all the data pertaining to services, processes, and resources, or we could write a script that logs into the servers for us and checks on the data. Both of these options would require a considerable amount of work on our part. The third option is easier. We could use a monitoring solution that is available in the market. Nagios and Zebrix are possible solutions that are readily available, which allow us to upscale our monitoring infrastructure to include as many servers as we want. In this course, we are going to focus on Nagios. Nagios is an infrastructure monitoring tool that is made by a company that goes by the same name. The open source version of this tool is called Nagios Core, while the commercial version is called Nagios 11. The tool allows us to monitor our servers and see if they are being sufficiently utilized or if there are any tasks of failure that need addressing. Essentially, monitoring allows us to achieve these 2 goals: check the status of our servers and services and determine the health of our infrastructure. On the one hand, it gives us a bird's eye view of the complete infrastructure to see if our servers are up and running, if the applications are working properly, and whether the web servers are reachable or not. On the other hand, it will tell us that our disk has been increasing by 10% for the last 10 weeks in a particular server, that it will exhaust entirely within the next 4 or 5 days and will fail to respond soon. It will alert us when your disk or server is in a critical state so that we can take appropriate actions to avert possible dangers. In this case, we can free up some disk space and ensure that our servers don't fail and that our users are not affected. Now, the difficult question for most monitoring engineers is, what do we monitor? And alternately, what do we not? Every system has a number of resources. Which of these should we keep a close eye on, and which ones can we turn a blind eye to? For instance, is it necessary to monitor CPU usage? The answer is yes, obviously. Nevertheless, it is still a decision that has to be made. Is it necessary to monitor the number of open ports in the system? We may or may not have to, depending on the situation. If it is a general purpose server, we probably won't have to. But then again, if it is a web server, we probably would have to monitor it. So this is a tricky question that we shall spend more time on in our detailed class to help you understand what you should and should not monitor. In our DevOps course, we shall also discuss in greater length the architecture of Nagios, Nagios GUI, Nagios Core, plugins, and how all of these come together to perform checks on servers. We shall also discuss RPE and Nagios management, the administrative tasks, objects, what they are, how to create and reuse them, templates, and notifications. Lastly, we shall also discuss how to monitor local services and local resources and remote services and remote resources. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more information on all our courses. Join a CAD Guild now to kickstart your dream career.